So now I'm going to explain you how to view notebooks in Team app. For that I share the screen. Now I'm sharing the screen from mobile. So now you can see this mobile. So before we open OneNote app in Team app, we must download OneNote app in Team. So it will come very soon. I'm sharing the screen, it takes time. See blue color OneNote app is there. OneNote app. So you can see this screen here. OneNote app. So we should download this first and we should log into it first. See now I clicked here. See here so many pages comes and we must log into OneNote app first. Now the screen is loading. If I click on the rightmost corner of the top beside the pencil, see what comes. Share page, find on page, delete page, add to home screen, settings. So if I click here settings, then it comes account, show my office account, sync all page account, OneNote badge. So if I click on account, show my office account, then my office account will come. So here you can see Sunil Kushwaha, this is my account. If I want to add one more account, simply I will click on add account, add your Microsoft account. And at the bottom it is given sign out of OneNote because I was already logged in to OneNote app. So first step was we should be logged in to OneNote app. Now come to Team app. I'm not opening any page from here. Only log in to OneNote app. That's it. See, when I came back, just I was clicking on back arrow. It came recent page, Sunil at Katra Primary, and then class 3, and then more notebooks are there because I went back. So if I click on class 3, Lily and Lotus, then different sections came. See, EVS, English. So if I want to see English notebook, I will click on English. That's it. Now the pages are loading and everything depends on network. So now came untitled page, but still it is loading. Now I will refresh this page. See, I have refreshed this page. Now it is syncing in background. So we need to refresh this page and we have to wait with patience. See, it comes syncing in background. See, on the top it is given English and to the left corner, see one arrow is there. I will click on that arrow. See, I have clicked on that arrow. Now see all sections came. Now if I will click on English, then it comes untitled page because it is still syncing in background. Now I clicked on untitled page. Then again go out. See, again come here. Refresh this page. See, different students and different screens. See, now comes welcome content library. We should click on content library. See what happens. Then click on English. See, now this time it came. So we need to refresh it one time, two time, three time. Now if I will click on meanings, so this lesson came. See, it comes. So in this way, we can see notebook in OneNote app. Now I will explain you how to see in Teams app. This was through OneNote app. Means before opening Team app, we should log in. We should be logged in to OneNote app. Now we can see notebooks directly in Teams app. So I will click on Teams app. See, I have clicked on Teams app. Now team is loading, it is opening. We should select that class which we want to view. Suppose I want to view class 3 notebook. So I will click on general channel. See, I click on general. I had clicked on general. After clicking on general, see what comes. Posts, files, and more. Now click on more. And yes, we have to wait because everything depends on strength of network. It takes time to load. Now click on, I close this. Now click on class notebook. See here, sorry for inconvenience. Unnecessary message comes. So I delete that. Again come to this. Okay. Now click on class notebook. Click on class notebook. So when we click on class notebook, now it is loading. We have to wait with patience. Directly that page will not come. First it will come, nothing is there or something like this, or recent pages. It came directly now. Why? Because I had already logged in 2 times. So it loaded fast. Now see class 3, Lily Lotus 2021-22 notebooks, more notebooks. So I will click on class 3. After clicking on class 3, see it came content library. Below content library, English, Math, CVS. If I click on English, then see different lessons came. If I will click on meanings, see this lesson came. After clicking on meanings. So in this way, I have taught you how, not taught, I had explained you how to view notebook in Teams app and in OneNote app. So now I stop sharing. Thank you very much.